Tom's.
Welcome to another fresh episode of TOMZ. Konalago SABC 1 Mzansi for sure. Sending us before to another episode of Edutainment and literally SABC Education.
We keep you guys updated. We want to celebrate our country by looking at science, technology, and engineering.
With science, tech, and engineering well dominated Abu Baba long ago. But women are starting to take stand and becoming world-class engineers. In this episode on today's show, women in science and engineering.
To work at the different types of engineers. We want to get you guys excited about a career as a South African engineer.
Kamzos, have you ever thought of becoming an engineer?
Maybe.
Well, I'm young women who are passionate about engineering.
So here's what's coming up on today's show. The different branches of engineering. Take a look at engineering of the 21st century. Nanotechnology. See a cool invention in South Africa. Learn about the role that women are playing in South Africa's biggest astronomy project ever. The initiative Technogirls, and we meet South African women by learn about civil engineering and see some great applications more. And get some great career advice from our guests on today's show. What exactly is engineering? Engineer. And what role do South African women play in the world of science and engineering? So take a look.
What exactly is engineering?
Engineering mostly is for men, if they say so, because some people are stereotyped. They're gonna say, as a woman, you can't be an engineer.
See all those buildings. The one who create those, who are those people who create the buildings? They are engineers.
What types of engineering are there and what do they involve?
Civil engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering, there's chemical engineering, which process engineering. Civil engineering.
Nanotechnology.
Nanotechnology. No, I don't know about us.
Science is theories, and the theories practices wakon. Engineering is a practical application of scientific theories. Engineers are scientific knowledge, design, improve, and maintain certain things from structures to materials and devices.
Since the Nakotakhale, humans have used basic mechanical principles who develop useful tools. Some of the first inventions they include the pulley, the lever, and the wheel. As the design and construction of structures at Lidi Bridge and buildings became a technical discipline, the term civil engineering was coined. The pyramids of Egypt, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, the Acropolis in Greece, and the cities of Maya, Inca, and Aztec empires are all proof of the skills of ancient civil engineers. Engineering in the branches say for Chemical engineering has to do with the application of chemistry and engineering principles. Chemical engineers develop medicine, petrochemicals, plastics, and even food. Civil engineering has to do with the design and construction of public and private works, the bridge, the building, airports, and the Electrical engineers design electrical and electronic systems, the computer systems, electrical circuits, and electronic devices. Mechanical engineers design power and energy systems, aircraft products, engines, and weapon systems. Celebrate the struggle heroes
was a famous anti-apartheid activist who was known for her fighting spirit in Katsines Nzima zala eMzansi. Do you know your heroes?
I do.
Do you guys know your heroes?
Let's go find out.
Umangoi, isn't she Winnie Mandela?
Umuntu begaziwa uMangoni, in my understanding begu Mam Winnie Mandela.
I don't know.
Lilian Masidi Bangoi in a little politiki and an anti-apartheid activist. In 1945, Ula qala ho sebetsa as a machinist in a clothing factory, and soon after, Aba joined the Garment Workers Union, mo ilabang a leading figure. During the 1950s Defiance campaign, Ula joined the ANC, and within a year, Balaba Mokheta hore ibe mo presidenta of the ANC Women's League. The Federation of SA Women was formed in 1954. Ibile dilemo tse ithuta latellang ke ba Mokheta hore ibe president ya bona. In 1956, she became the first woman ever to be elected to the ANC National Executive Committee. That same year, she led the Women's Anti-Pass March to the Union Buildings, Kwanako Pitori, one of the largest demonstrations in SA history. Balaba Motshwarisa ibile ba misa tronkong several times during Bophelo ba hae, and she was part of the famous treason trials. Known as Mangoyi, Ula tshwara ke lefu la pelo ibile a tlhokofala ka March 13, 1980. Re hopola Mangoyi for ntwa ya hae ya South Africa a democracy.
Though the field of science, tech, and engineering has been dominated by Abantu besilisa throughout their history, Abantu besimame are stepping up and showing their willingness to learn some of these awesome skills.
Hona jwanong a re tsamaya re ithuta more about these programs.
Let's go.
Dumela, lebitso la ka ke Jenny Murulane. Mo sita mona ke shebane le ntho tsa communication and marketing. And one of the programs that we are running is Techno Girls. We're also running other youth development programs. They include the bursary, they include the internships, ability learnerships. Techno Girl is not just to expose girls to the working environment just on a one-day basis, but rather it's a long-term relationship with the learner for between 2 and 3 years. So what happens is that we get the lists from Department of Education. They choose scholars from previously disadvantaged in backgrounds and environments, you know, single parent families, child-headed households, jalo jalo, hore ba ibe part ya program enana. But like over a 2 or 3 year period, but like the holidays, and then they have mentors. Ba jonsang hore na mosebetsing o the jobs that are available, more SETA, like in technology, what is involved. So the girls, you know, develop a long-term relationship with the mentors and are able to develop like that.
But we all sifunda okunye science and engineering, but there's some cool inventions by my engineers while I am Zanti. Stay tuned.
Re ithuta ka the awesome world of nanotechnology. Ebe re bona hore ho bonolo jwang ho itlela ka invention e leng ya hao. Re ithuta how women in SA are rocking it in astronomy. Ebe re tlhakana le the Techno Girls, our future female engineers.
Toms.
Toms mo SABC 1 Mzansi for sure.
And in as we fit namhla sibhiyozela our wonderful rainbow nation. Sibhekele SA women in science and engineering.
Kaja ko re batla ho ithuta hore batho ba South Africa bona ba etsa eng in the world of engineering. Re be re ithuta peka the different types of engineering. E be re bona hape le hore batho ba bo mme mona heng ya rona bona ba etsa eng hore bona ba kgone ba involved.
Umzansi wethu bafethi needs more men and women to participate in science, tech, and engineering. So namhla sibesintshengisa you guys and girls ukuthi ngaqhumana kanjani and choose an exciting engineering career.
So here's what's coming up on today's show. Re ithuta ka the awesome world of nanotechnology. Ebe re bona hore ho bonolo jwang ho itlela ka invention e leng ya hao. Re ithuta how women in SA are rocking it in astronomy. Ebe re tlhakana le the Techno Girls, our future female engineers. One of the most exciting new developments is the rise of the nanotechnology. Iblaning naha ya rona jumped on the bandwagon who prove hore di scientists tsa rona le di engineers tsa rona di a tseba nanotech ya bona. Empano, what exactly is nanotechnology and why are South African engineers using it? Nanotechnology is the engineering of functional systems at a tiny molecular scale. Basically, whole the scientists can break something down into its smallest parts and then basebedisa these small parts to construct something from the bottom up. The engineers started to create a nano-satellite Tshepiso, meaning a promise ka Setswana, which has been orbiting space and monitoring space weather since 2013. This nano-satellite weighs only 1.2 kilograms and is about 100 times smaller than the Sputnik 1, the first ever satellite to be launched into space in 1957. The scientists did a nanotech to create a water purifying tea bag will cost only half a cent. Millions of people have limited access to clean drinking water. Tea bag can be used by placing it into the neck of a water bottle and then drinking the water that passes through it. E sebedisa ultra-thin nanoscale fibers with grains of activated carbon to filter harmful contaminants le ho bolaya bacteria.
Having access to clean, disease-free water is a problem emhlabeni wonke. Abantu abasha bala eMzansi came up with an idea ukuyenza sure ukuthi umuntu can stay healthy and clean without the use of water. Ludwig Marchand is SA's youngest patent holder who actually came up with a great invention by doing all of this on his phone. Let's go check it out.
Trachoma is an infection of the eye due to dirt getting into your eye. Multiple infections of trachoma can leave you permanently blind. To avoid being infected with trachoma, all you have to do is wash your face. I had invented Dry Bath, the world's first bath substituting lotion. One sachet substitutes one bath for 5 rand.
South Africa to promote the study of science and engineering amongst bacha ba rona and especially basadi ba naha ya rona. So rona re tsamaya chekela ba ha Techno Girls, we tutor more about their programs. So take a look.
Lebitso la ka ke Letloholo Molefe, ke attenda sekolo ko David Helen Peter DH, which is based in Atteridgeville.
Nna leina la ka ke Tsofatso Meti, ke kena sekolo ko Vugani Mawethu and then ke nna ko Mamelodi East, sekolo sa ka se ko Mamelodi West.
Nna ke nna Dimpho Mokgalaka. I'm 17 years old. I'm a grade 10 learner at Nel Mafias Secondary School. It's at Nel Mafias.
Nna la ka ke Thato Haitsi Mashelo. Ke tswa ko Nel Secondary School and I'm one of the Techno Girls. Techno Girls is a program ya banana. Baba interested in sciences, technology, and must be engineers, pilots, and so forth. Techno Girls ba romeletse di formo ko sekolong sa rena ba batla bana ba loreng di marks tsa bana di good, children who are not adequate, and ba committed to school.
Techno Girl ke program loreng e thusa banyana ba tswang like go a poor background, not that much poor mara ba loreng like abana di opportunity tse dintsi. And you're not how a Techno Girl the possibility of a bursary and go forward with your studies.
More Techno Girl the program ngata tsa ho tshwana le ko QA. They taught us about QA, which is where ke go call center, and then ba rutile ka di driving lessons like our license, and then ba ruta le ka responsibility.
They teach us how to communicate. We do a lot of presentation with our mentors, and they take us to their workplace and show us how they work.
Go start at Techno Girls ke hore le nna ke re ha ke ntse ke le montle ke khone ho bolela le ba bangwe ba banyana ba lekanang le nna hore ba khone hore ba ithute le bona. And then Libana ba rumele information about go SETA so that they can get the opportunities that we get here.
When I finish school, I want to be a marine biologist. I want to become a surgeon doctor.
I want to become a pilot because most South Africa, sibasadi ba bantshi ba loreng ke di pilot. Ha re ntse re bona di airplane di flies because of men.
I want to be a mechanical engineer because in South Africa there are not much mechanical engineering. So, and I would like to make one of my dreams to come true, to have a company, maybe to produce cars, computers, things that it will be made in South Africa. Like it would be much better to improve the economy of South Africa and do our own thing here.
Astronomy allows us to see back in time because light waves from stars and galaxies take time to travel through space and reach our planet. That's why basibheka phezulu at the sky, sibona the stars as they were a very long time ago. Ama astronomers and engineers while eMzansi are working on our country's biggest project and yet learning more about our universe.
The astronomers are the most powerful telescope ever, the Square Kilometre Array, also known as the SKA. Yona itloba situated in the Northern Cape near a town ebitwang Carnarvon, and exceptional South African women are helping Urubona Bakono realize our country's SKA ambition. Samkelisiwe Charity Zondi is an electronic radio frequency technician. SKA ya South Africa ila moneleta an in-service training le bazari ya hore yena a kgone ho tswella pele ka dithuto tsa hae. And now she's a full-time employee taking care of the dishes at the Hartebeespoort Radio Astronomy Observatory. Once the SKA is up and running, yena o tla be a sebetsa on site. Cecilia Hack is the infrastructure and site support engineer involved in the preparations for the pre-construction work of the SKA. Malibese Audrey Dikgate is a telescope operator working on the Meerkat telescope. The responsibilities to include to schedule and document telescope activities and communicating with engineers, astronomers, and software developers. Ribulele, a South African schoolgirl who is part of the Techno Girls program. Matriculator. Busy receive her tertiary education. So take a look.
Ke kene high school ko Zitikeni Secondary School and ke fetse matric wa ka 2012 ntse ke etsa science and maths. Technically into tseka tsela tse ngata. One of the ways is it took me to the training sessions. Ha ke bua training sessions ke bua ka gore like during recess, which is the holidays, ha re bua ka language high school ko gore never tseya for 5 days, re ya for training sessions. If we are for 2 weeks, we go out for a week to different companies that we want to do careers in. Then those people show us how they do their work and what's interesting about what they do and why should people follow a career in what they do. So technically, it reveals such information to me, and going on career guidance is like body open day, go to universities, and people coming to our schools telling what the career game. Leona ilan to understand, and technically on the other hand, for there's no job that is intended for men. Both men and women are equal. So you can do what you can, like what you think is what you can do.
We are talking about civil engineering, sinjala about some cool engineering apps for your phone, and we get some cool career advice from our guests on today's show. We'll be back.
Itutaka civil engineering. See some great engineering applications for phone near how, and get some great career advice from our guests on today's show.
You guys are still tuning in to TOMZ Konalago SABC 1 Mzansi for sure, brought to you by SABC Education.
South Africa to improve not only maphelo a bona but le maphelo a batho ba ileng gore ba phedisana le bona ka tlo re ithuta ka the science and engineering world.
So namhlanje sibheka at the different types of engineering. Sibona ukuthi abantu bala eMzansi ama-engineers ukuthi what are they getting up to, and we also speak to young South African engineers about their role that they play in the engineering field.
So far mo showing your naka tse gore the history of engineering, nanotechnology, some great South African engineering inventions, some up-and-coming female South African engineers.
Let's check out what's still to come on today's episode. Let's go.
Civil engineering. See some great engineering applications for phone near how, and get some great career advice from our guests on today's show. Civil engineering is design, construction, and maintenance of a physical and naturally built environment. Kamahara civil engineering hunali sub-disciplines some of these sub-disciplines the engineers Africa.
Ama transport engineers plan, design, construct, and manage ama facilities for different modes of transportation. These include airports, railroads, roadworks, and water transportation facilities. Gautrain, Gauteng, and My City Bus Cape Town are my examples of top SA transport engineering at work. Coastal engineering deals nama effect with erosion of our coastal areas. Coastal areas occupy less than 15% of the Earth's land surface, kodwa uyazi ukuthi it accommodates more than 40% yabantu abala emhlabeni. Suka ekupheleni kwe-ice age yokugcina, the level of the sea has been gradually rising, and ama coastal engineers asebenza natural action of wave to prevent them from causing damage kuma shoreline wethu. The dolo siyayenziwa i-engineer yala eMzansi futhi isebenziswa emhlabeni jikelele to resist the force of breaking waves on the shoreline and destroying our harbors and beaches.
If you're interested in the world of engineering, why don't I phone yakho to get access to some awesome information? Utisa Rasmela to tell us more.
Kunama engineer apps amaningi akhona ahlukile for both iPhone and Android users. Njengalama application from STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Math. Ungakhetha kuma application ahlukile ukufunda kabanzi ngama interests wakho. The King of Math lets you compete and sharpen your math skills, while Tinkerbox HD lets you learn basic engineering concepts while building machines. Ungazenzela Yenzela your own invention, we share Nabangan Bako and learn more about engineering is Kati Esota. To know more, visit us on www.toms.co.za and check us out on social media.
About how young South African girls can become a part of the Techno Girls Initiative. So take a look.
In 2010, I was called to the office mo kileka yo tlhakale principal anantsibisa gore gona le program kgeteng ke SETA. And SETA is basically, in that sense, innately Techno Girl. And that Techno Girl program basically took girls from our school and put them in a program where batlo who developer and show them, explore them to careers which were intended for men before. Then abatse abanyana ba school sa rona ntsareli 5, we were placed in different department and in nakileka ya we AXA, which is Airports Company South Africa, and Captain Park. Then from there, kana ke thoma ya bona vele sticky kene ko Techno Girl ke ntho ile sticky le part ya teng. Then they started taking us for the training sessions, some of the program, like reveal the programs. How long wanyana no nahana or khalo o ka se etse ntho, but then now that you're a girl and you're inspired for what it can be career tse
on today's show, with us niggas some career advice for you young engineers out there. So Mamelani, this one's for you.
I would love to encourage South African girls or about the careers in EBIT, which is engineering, buildings and information technology, because of we have the power to do so. Nothing is intended for men, nothing is intended for women. We're living in a modern generation now, everything is equal. So if we could talk about civil engineering, go do it. If you feel like you want to do mechanical engineering, go do it. If you want to do anything related to science that was intended for men before, you can go do it because you have the power to do so.
Engineers are in demand, Mzansi, so why not choose it as a career and use your opportunities?
Rising to the occasion, we can do it.
Let's recap on today's episode.
The science of engineering, the 4 main branches including civil, electrical, chemical and mechanical engineering. Lilian Ngoyi, one of SA's power females during the liberation struggle. Nanotechnology, some cool things that South African scientists are creating in this scientific field. We celebrated our women in astronomy, the world's biggest telescope, the SKA. A school student about the Techno Girls program, a varsity Techno Girl, we tuta horiena obala lor Techno Girls program yona, emutuste jwang horiena, Hello, more about these programs. Let's check out our website www.toms.co.za. Let's SA Engineering on our Twitter and our Facebook pages.
That's it from us, but fair to on today's episode. So next time for another fresh episode, your TOMZ, in our democratic country.
Right here on Mondays and Tuesdays, 4 o'clock. SABC 1 Mzansi for shizzles. Next time on Toms, join the presenters as they discover the world of ICT, information and communication technology in South Africa. See some amazing future trends. Consider a career in ICT. Tune in to Toms every Monday and Tuesday at 4 only on SABC 1 Mzansi. For sure.